How to change personal hotspot name on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Then, tap on About. This section provides details about your device, including the iOS version, model name, model number, serial number, and more. You can also view the total number of songs, videos, photos, applications on your phone as well as the total and availability capacity. Tap on Name at the top. You can change your device name from here. Then, tap on Done. This name will now also show up as your personal hotspot name. Go back and tap on Personal Hotspot to check the name. Following these steps, you can easily change personal hotspot name on iPhone.